Imagine a kitchen where smoothies blend to creamy perfection. Dough kneads in seconds, and veggies are chopped with precision, all with one appliance. This Ninja BN805A Pro Plus kitchen system, 1400 watts, 5-in-1 promises to transform your culinary experience with its powerful performance and versatile functionality. Whether you're a busy parent, a health enthusiast, or a home chef craving efficiency, this kitchen system aims to simplify meal prep while delivering professional-grade results. In this review, we dive deep into why the Ninja BN805A is a game-changer for your kitchen, exploring its features, benefits, and real-world performance. Spoiler alert, it's more than just a blender. Let's unpack why this 5-in-1 powerhouse deserves a spot on your countertop. A closer look: design and build quality. The Ninja BN805A Pro Plus kitchen system sports a sleek, modern design in black, blending style with functionality. At 9.63-inch dx 7.38 WX18 H and weighing 13.9 pounds, it's sturdy but not overly bulky. The BPA-free plastic jars, a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, a 64-ounce precision processor bowl, and two 32-ounce single-serve cups are durable and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The base features suction cups for stability, ensuring it stays put during high-powered blending. While its size may challenge smaller kitchens, the detachable jars make storage manageable. The intuitive control panel, complete with Auto IQ preset programs, simplifies operation, making it accessible for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Unpacking the 5-in-1 versatility, key features that shine. The Ninja BN805A isn't just a blender, it's a 5-in-1 kitchen system that handles smoothies, chopping, dough, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions with ease. Here's what sets it apart. Powerful 1,400-watt motor, the heart of the Ninja BN805A. This motor powers through tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and dense dough, delivering consistent results. Ninja Total Crushing Blades. These stainless steel blades pulverize ice into snow-like texture in seconds, perfect for smoothies and frozen cocktails. Auto IQ technology, 5 preset programs: smoothie, frozen drink, extract, chop, and dough. Use timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to take the guesswork out of prep. XL 72-ounce pitcher. With a 64-ounce max liquid capacity, it's ideal for large batches, making it a go-to for family meals or entertaining. 8-cup precision processor bowl. This attachment handles chopping, pureeing, and kneading up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Two 32-ounce single-serve cups. Complete with spout lids, these cups are perfect for on-the-go smoothies, ensuring portability without sacrificing power. For blade assemblies, includes stacked blade assembly, pro extractor blades, chopping blade, and dough blade for unmatched versatility. Recipe inspiration guide. Comes with 30 recipes to spark creativity, from smoothies to homemade pizza dough. Real-world performance. How does it hold up? We put the Ninja BN805A through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype. For smoothies, the Pro Extractor blades and single-serve cups delivered silky smooth results with fibrous ingredients like kale and berries, though larger batches in the 72-ounce pitcher left slight graininess after extended blending. Ice crushing was a standout, snow-like consistency in under a minute, perfect for frozen margaritas. The precision processor bowl excelled at chopping veggies evenly for salsas and pureeing soups, though hot blending isn't recommended due to the plastic construction. Kneading dough was a breeze, producing a smooth, elastic batch in just 30 seconds. However, the system is loud during operation, a trade-off for its power, and the lid's bulky design can be tricky to store. Space-conscious cooks. If you want one appliance to do it all, this system eliminates the need for separate blenders and processors. Pros and cons. A balanced perspective. Pros. Powerful 1,400-watt motor handles tough ingredients effortlessly. Auto IQ technology simplifies operation for consistent results. Versatile attachments cater to a wide range of recipes. Dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. Includes a recipe guide to inspire culinary creativity. Cons. Loud operation may disturb quiet households. Not suitable for hot blending, limiting soup-making versatility. Bulky lid design can complicate storage in small spaces. Large batches of fibrous ingredients may require longer blending for smoothness. Why choose the Ninja BN805A over competitors? Compared to brands like Vitamix or KitchenAid, the Ninja BN805A offers unmatched versatility at a more accessible price point. While high-end blenders may excel at hot blending or finer purees, the Ninja's 5-in-1 functionality and Auto IQ technology make it a better value for those seeking an all-in-one solution. Its ability to crush ice, knead dough, and process food with precision sets it apart from single-purpose appliances, making it a smart investment for diverse kitchen needs. Final verdict. Is the Ninja BN805A worth it? The Ninja BN805A Pro Plus kitchen system is a powerhouse that delivers on its promise of versatility, power, and convenience. While it's not perfect, noise and limited hot blending are drawbacks. Its ability to handle smoothies, chopping, dough, and more makes it a standout choice for busy kitchens. Whether you're blending a quick breakfast or prepping a family feast, this 5-in-1 system saves time, space, and effort. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Ninja BN805A your kitchen's new MVP. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.